I heard you talking about Oh Bless. That caught my attention. I would like to share with you a little bit of my philosophy on that aspect. I think it might be a bit different of what you think. You might expect me to say, we're going to get to that stage in life and then we start giving away. That is not the way it works. Wealth is already there. And the minute you take a decision like our friend just said, it's by choice, okay? You want to be associated with such a global family. The minute you take that decision, your life is on a better track, because one of the major and primary resources for myself and sources of confidence, you see me always confident, like I sometimes try to hold myself to slow down or humble down a little bit, not to be labeled as arrogant. And the reason I have that ultimate confidence is because I learned early on to have the ability and the skill to recreate my mind and the way I think. So I have full control of the muscle of my brain. And I believe, and I'm not talking about IQ, I'm not talking about how smart we are, I'm talking about how to think and how to think correctly, how to structure the flow. Because if we're more effective about making decisions, your decisions ultimately shape up your life. So your life today, your financial status today, your social status, everything as of now, if you take a screenshot right now, it is the sum total of your decisions up until this moment in your life. It's not my decision. It's not your neighbor, spouse, or relative. It is your own responsibility. You're in charge. And if you're unhappy about, or someone is unhappy about the direction it's going, that means somebody somehow has excessive influence on you, that they're driving you on the wrong direction. So that means you gotta pause and stop. Nothing wrong of pausing, because when you're on the right track and believe in what you're doing and take small action, even if it was the last day of your life, but you live on a purpose, you're living your dreams and goals and your own, free decisions in a way, your free will, it will give you that happiness. I'll tell you what, today we can become wealthy, and I will help you to change that, because we often say, when I get to that apple, my brother Peter said, then I will do. No. We're going to rephrase that, and I'm going to, because wealth is already there. It's not the amount, it's the allocation and the distribution of wealth. We understand. That's why we created Oh Bless so early on, because I do believe we have the heart, and it comes back to us, just like what Julie and the group in California are doing. When they do that action, I'm sure, I guarantee the confidence that she has today is 1,000 times, or 1,000, x 1,000, if you wish, from the last time. Because when you do it and it works, okay, you gain that momentum, you gain that confidence. When you get that confidence, now she's doing it again. Why? Because when you're confident, you take more action. You take more action, you get results and fulfillment. So let me put it this way. Okay, when you say, I'm gonna make $1 million, I wanna become a millionaire, okay, of any currency. Okay, so if you're just thinking the amount, that is the wrong thinking. Then you're never gonna be satisfied, because you're gonna just, only when you get to that amount, the figure, when you think you're gonna be happy, but it's not gonna work that way. But when you are on the journey of the 1 million of any currency, even if you're at zero today, but you have the mindset and the direction and the determination to pursue that 1 million level, then you start feeling confident. Then you have that fulfillment in life, okay? And it gives you the happiness, and you take more action, and you get more results. If you enjoy the process, not the amount, not the figure, the process, that's exactly what we're doing on Onpassive. Small actions, because somebody would say, I'm making 50,000 a year. Let's put it of any currency, okay? That should be enough. So the question is not the amount. It could be actually enough, but what you're looking at is, are you doing your best? And getting that fulfillment and building and piling that confidence within. Why not making it 500,000, like 500,000? It's the same concept. Why would you settle for, like, would you consider a little bit extra effort? Why not 5 million? So always think big, expand your dreams, okay, and work on it. And that's why I say everything matters. Every founder matters. Because listen, successful people care about everything and anything. Just like my brother Red said, okay, I watch everything. Why? Because every single word and every single video or activity about the business matters to me, good or bad. And if you are careless about something, that is the unsuccessful philosophy. Sophisticated people care about the details, and they care about the $5, and they care about the 5 minutes, they care about the one founder, they care about the one word or the video or the bad or the unprofessional or the perfect video. Everything matters. That's why one click a day, one comment a day, a prayer matters.
Absolutely.
Because what you do in a day is going to give you that booster. And then you're going to pile up, and you're going to compound, and you're going to accumulate for the next day. Tomorrow, you're going to be at a higher level in terms of confidence. So I do believe it's the allocation of wealth, and it's the other way around. It's not like when I'll do this when I get to the money. No. I made a decision. I'm going to be wealthy because I'm going to do that. That's why I'm working on Onpassive. That's the vehicle that you and I are building, so it can be the vessel in a way that will enable us to do that. Because I don't know, not many of you or those who believe, let me just say, the Bible actually says the love of money is the root of all evil. I don't know if you know this. So, but it doesn't say don't become successful or wealthy. Now, regardless of your faith, I do agree with that, because it can be an enemy. If you're just doing it for the money, but if I'm doing it like they just said for OBless, if I'm doing it for a higher cause than myself, and regardless of the figure, the number, then I am at a higher level of a humanitarian value, like Peter said. And did you see the pride, him saying that? Like, we didn't get to that level, but did you see how he carries himself in a way, delivering the statement you just watch and imagine this is, going through. So the money is there, the wealth is there, the intelligence is there. It's just how do we utilize it? And make no mistake, all of us together with that common mentality and way and the heart and the way we strive to change and make a difference in humanity, it will be impactful. So